In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log time in Jira, a useful skill that can help you keep projects on track by accurately recording the time spent on different tasks. Whether you're new to Jira or just need a refresher, we'll walk through each step together to ensure that you're logging time like a pro by the end of this video. To begin, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Jira website. Once there, you'll need to log into your account. If you're using Google for authentication, simply click on the option that says Google and follow the prompts to sign in using your Google account credentials. This step is crucial to access the various features and boards you have set up in Jira. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to find your board. From the left panel of the Jira dashboard, locate and click on the board associated with the project you're working on. This will take you to a visual overview of all the tasks and issues related to that project. With your board open, the next thing you'll want to do is find the specific issue you need to log time against. Click on that issue to open its details. You should see different options and tabs that correspond to the issue you're working on. Once you're viewing the issue, look for the Work Log tab. Clicking on this tab will allow you to view and add time logs related to the issue. Navigating to this tab ensures that all your time entries are properly associated with the correct issue. Now, let's go ahead and click on the Log Work button. This action opens up a form where you'll be able to input all the necessary details about the time you've spent. In the form, you'll see fields to enter the time spent and time remaining. The time spent field is where you'll log the actual hours or days you worked on the task. The time remaining field is used for estimated time left to complete the task, which helps with project planning and tracking progress. Be as accurate as possible for effective time management. Next, you'll have the option to input the date started and add a description for the work done. Selecting the correct start date and providing a detailed description helps others on your team understand what was accomplished during this logged period. This level of detail can be quite beneficial in providing context for future reference. Finally, once you've filled in all the necessary information, the last step is simple. Click on the Save button. Doing this will record your time log into Jira and make it available for you and your team to review at any time. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to log time in Jira. By following these steps, you can ensure that your project management is as efficient and effective as possible. Thanks for watching and happy logging.